Okay, we have our computer chairs that we spend our lives in, and we hate them. What do you hate yours?
Well, it's not so much that we hate them.
Okay, I just
I'm not going to argue
them.
with them. Well,
they're old.
So both of these chairs have some issues. When we buy our computer chairs, like when we bought these, we bought them from Office Depot. They had a 5-year warranty, which expired almost a year ago. And we put the date that we purchased them on a piece of painter's tape on the bottom, so that's how we know that. So they now are no longer as comfy and nice as they once were.
It has this really squeaky noise in the middle of the night with really noisy neighbors. It sounds like an old band.
It's got that. It makes a horrific pop sometimes when I get out of it. And as I get out of it, you can see it's not quite as nice as it once was. And because it's not real leather, hers is really
bad.
Falling apart and shedding little pieces of plastic everywhere.
So we bought a new one. So. I like blue, he likes green. So we bought gaming chairs from Costco. See, now I would have gotten scissors. You get a screwdriver. How does that work?
So that's the way I am. I used to having a screwdriver around.
Box of parts, goody.
Box of parts with the Allen wrench. Stick that down before somebody gets hurt.
Thank you.
So, as we had hoped, the color of the box is the color of the chair.
Oh, that's comforting. I didn't want a red one. Oh, you're so nice to clean up and not leave it for me.
Oh, I forgot I was supposed to just drop everything on the floor.
No, that doesn't work very well.
Probably where your scissors would be
helpful.
More useful.
Yeah, but you seem to like your tools. Oh, good. They dummy labeled it.
Armrest and base. Another armrest. Oh, hey, we could just take this and reupholster our old chairs and it'll be as good as new.
Wrong. Those things are going away. I'm so done.
We did sit in these at Costco and decide that we liked them.
We took our trusty helper Tristan with us and he approved them. He sat in it. And
They, those of you that are watching this are probably aware They have them in their Black Friday ad at Costco.
Which we thought started Saturday. It's already going on.
Well, Friday. We thought it started Friday, Black Friday.
Black Friday, yes. But
these actually went on sale. We picked them up already, as you can see. Front, 1, 2, numbers, things, 3D, this is the 3D Insight gaming chair. I think they're $159 and on sale for $129.
I've seen it.
Allen wrench, because we're making a video. Otherwise, I would go out.
Find your power tools to go brum brum.
Exactly. My experience has been when putting things together like this, where the build quality may be questionable. As you can see, we're having already, it doesn't quite perfectly line up. It might not be the right screws.
Does it say on the package there where it goes?
No.
How about in the little instruction manual?
What little instruction manual?
One over here in the box. Oh, no, it's just a piece of paper. Although it has it over there.
It's got a picture.
It doesn't tell you which bolts it is.
It doesn't, but these two longer ones obviously go in these front ones here.
Although it has this little manual thing. There's a little manual thing that does have pictures, if you want to use it.
Why would I do that?
I know.
Anyways, to my earlier point, is you can see the holes didn't perfectly line up, but if we start the bolts down through them, we can get them down in there and try to get them all started before you tighten any of them.
What's this thing for? Is that my up and down knob?
Yeah, one's an up and down, that would, and one's gonna be your back and forth.
Oh, I get it back and forth on this one?
Well, to tilt, yes.
Oh, I don't use the tilt, so that's why.
I'm gonna guess the other two in this are for the back right there. Oh, there's 4 for that.
The 4 you had
1, 2,
before?
3, 4. Yeah, let's change plans.
Okay.
We'll use the 2 and 2.
And use the 4 for the back?
And use these 4 that are all the same length.
You sure you don't want to look at the instructions?
It's a guy thing, love.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Having committed to not looking at the instructions. reading the warning label over here while I'm doing this. According to the warning label, you're supposed to retorque all these screws every 90 days.
Oh, interesting.
Post in the comments if you've ever retorqued the screws on your chairs every 90 days. Most people don't even do that with lug nuts. And
Your car. Okay, so what's the difference between this and this? Is that where it goes on the stand?
that's going to fit over that little shiny
And what's the
post.
purpose of that then?
That's the knob for the spring of how hard you have to lean back.
Oh,
So if you're a big old lard butt like me, you'd want it cranked really tight. If you have been taking care of yourself and weigh the same as you did when you graduated high school,
who does that?
you might not want as much tension on it.
Okay.
The green stuff on these bolts is a thread locker compound. It's supposed to,
Oh, it's not paint?
no,
To mark it and say it's the right bolts?
no, it's to keep them from coming loose.
Ah.
There we go.
Okay. First up.
Those go that way. You got buttons to read them up and down.
Alright, I'm gonna stop it and do the next one.
All set.
Hi, new one.
We are back. Christy is sitting in her new chair, and we're going to put together the other one. So we're going to
Like it. Much better.
deviate from the procedure on the other one and use some tools, but we wanted to do that one with the tools in the box in case some of you watching might not have access to additional tools. It can be done, and it's working, and Christy's happy. Some nice bubble wrap bags for shipping stuff.
Or for the grandkids to jump on and go pop, pop, pop.
Green.
Green. He's so helpful to throw stuff away.
You know,
Huh. Have we
I
tried?
think that that's just
Yeah, but you can see the green back
tolerance.
behind it. Oh, maybe that's just, yeah, that is it.
as you can see,
So much better.
they are done. They are pretty comfortable.
Not bad.
I am 6'3" something, and currently about 240 pounds. You can see it's got room for me. The armrests are fine. Probably like them down position. The drawback on these is there's really not enough.
Did we crash?
Had some hurt back here for me. And the price was right, so we're happy. We'll see how they hold up. But for now, they were the right thing for us at the right time. And if you're thinking about getting these, we recommend them. We bought them. I hope we can get 3 to 4 years out of them, and then we can look at getting something better. So we thank you for watching.
Thanks.
And happy Thanksgiving as that is coming up, and good luck finding everything you're looking for on Black Friday.